Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a package that arrived from Amazon. If you're a repairman, if you repair tools and fix things like I do, fix things with motors on them, you need what's in this bag. I'm making a good job opening this. I'm just so excited to get at it. Here we are. And I'll just get right into it. Can you guess what it is? Look at this. It's a 40-piece carbon brush set. All different brushes. Just generic, different types of brushes. Hasn't got everything, but it'll quite a lot. Pull you out of a jam if you're in the trade that I'm at. If you're doing what I'm doing. And you can buy these on Amazon yourself and own this set yourself for a very, very small fee. I'm going to put a link in the description and pinned in the comments section. I'm very happy with this. This is just what the doctor ordered, quite literally. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for more videos.